Are you feeling stuck working a 9 to 5? Do you dream of living a life on your own terms, waking up when you want to, going wherever you want to go, when you want to go? Now's the time to take control over your future and achieve the financial freedom you always wanted.
Join me on my free webinar and learn how to build out that strong credit profile. I will teach you how to repair both your personal and your business credit profiles. I will teach you how to close on your first property in less than 7 days. You will learn how to buy properties and make money every single month.
I'm Frederick, your mentor,
your guide on this exciting journey. I help people just like you change their lives by teaching them how to invest in real estate and achieve their financial goals. This webinar is for you if you are ready to make a change and want more from your life.
I will teach you how to invest in real estate
the smart way. So if you dream of a better future, then let's make it happen together. Reserve your spot now. Don't wait. Spaces are limited. This is your chance to start a new chapter in your life. Let's go.